Hey, what's up, guys? I'm doing my morning routine, checking on my plants, seeing how's it going, how are they producing. We've been having a lot of rain and a lot of wind, so it's the first little sunny morning. So I'm finna go in here and check them out and see what we got. Okay, here's that pepper plant. It's looking pretty good. Got peppers coming, pretty good. Bell pepper plant. They ain't woke up yet. But see, we got some nice bell peppers on there. They looking good, droopy. Probably gonna need to give them a little water because they've been in the greenhouse. I guess they didn't get enough water as it was raining. Here's our other plant. Hasn't produced much yet, but you can see the bulbs. You see the bulbs? They're finna start producing. Here's our okra plant. Kind of trimmed them a little bit because they was going everywhere. But you see those okra? Yeah. Here's our banana peppers. They're doing pretty good. They're doing pretty good. Over here is our candy cane peppers. Look at it. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. About to get ready and take a couple of those. Our tomatoes. We had one we already did a harvest. We got two more coming in. And I cut off of this. You know, I transplant, I cut a branch off, and I got another tomato plant up there growing in a small pot. It's actually doing well. Another pepper plant. See the little bulbs. They starting to come on out. They're starting to produce. Now here's our bell pepper. The wind got in a little tough. Broke a couple of branches. There's some nice sized bell peppers on them. I'm gonna go ahead and take those in. See? It's just tumbled on over. We'll fix that. It's our cucumbers. They looking pretty good. They growing up, going on out the way. We got that one big one back there, you see it? It look real good. We got one right there also. If you can see up under there, sunlight kind of got my focus off. And here's our yellow cucumbers. It's just growing everywhere. It's just taking over the back of the greenhouse. Well, see, we got little cucumbers growing in, coming in all over. If you can see, they coming in all over. So all in all, we did pretty good with the rain. Here's the rest of our plants. They looking pretty good. We got one pepper. Oh, I didn't see that one. It came in. But they doing pretty good. That rain kind of hit us kind of hard. But we'll bounce back from it. Just giving you an update on the outside garden. Peace. Hey guys, I'm back. I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I just harvested. Bell peppers. They looking really good. Candy cane peppers, look at them. Just beautiful. My lemon cucumbers. My banana peppers. I mean, it was just a beautiful harvest. My regular cucumbers. It's just all just beautiful. Got a few jalapenos. Look at my little baby. Cause the storm came through. We didn't get a chance to get out of the way, but it's beautiful. Jalapenos. So it was a pretty good harvest this time. I just wanted to let y'all know how's it going. Peace. like, comment, subscribe.